guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. So in today's video, Morovan was kind enough to send me over this polygel kit for me to try out for you guys. A lot of people on TikTok were asking me to try Morovan, so let's see how this goes. I'm actually really excited to try this. So when you open the polygel, the first thing that comes out is this user manual, and I feel like it's so helpful to look at different types of polygel because, as I mentioned before, every polygel is not the same. They all have different cure times, so it's really important that you look over manuals to see how long you need to cure it for. And for Morovan, you do have to cure the top and the bottom side, so I'm going to do that every time I need to cure. I thought it was pretty neat that this lamp came with a reflective bottom. This polygel kit also comes with some slip solution, a bottle of primer, and a bottle of dehydrator, as well as base coat and top coat. We also have some dual forms and these nail stickers, these nail rope stickers. There's 3 of them or 4. And it also contains rhinestone glue and these 2 cute glitters. And it also came with a brush, some rhinestones, some tweezers, these nail cleaners. It also came with a cuticle pusher and some nail files, as well as some nail forms. And it came with your standard polygel kit brush with the spatula end and the regular brush end. And here are all the polygels. There's 8 colors to choose from. I'm going to go ahead and swatch the colors for you guys. So now I'm gonna get started on nail prep. I am placing some cuticle oil on my nails as I am creating a peel off base coat today, but as usual, you would use primer and dehydrator if you want your nails to stay on for longevity. Then I am going to take some top coat and I'm going to apply that on my nails, and I'm going to cure it in the lamp for 30 seconds. To adhere my nail tips, I am going to be taking the Morovan base coat and I'm going to apply that at the tip of my nail. Then I'm going to blend the tip with the natural nail. Once I'm done blending the tip, I am going to apply base coat on all of my nails, and I am going to cure it in the lamp again for 30 seconds. So I did decide to use the blue polygel color today. So yeah, I did place a bead at the tip of my nail. I'm gonna start blending the bead around upwards and down just to get the tip of the nail out the way. Morovan slip solution made the polygel really firm and stiff, and it made it really hard to move the polygel around. I ended up using a different slip solution and it made a huge difference. The consistency is good, I like it, and it's very easy to mold paired with the slip solution that I used. The consistency feels like what acrylic would feel like if I were to use it, if that makes sense, only because it formed a consistency that I'm not used to. But I do kind of like the consistency with this polygel, only because I didn't have to pat it down so much, and I covered a nail fairly quickly and it cut down my application time by a lot. So this kit retails for $54.99, and I honestly feel like it's worth the money because this kit has everything you need. Like, nail prep is included, and there's 8 polygel colors to choose from, and most kits that have more than 6 colors, they don't provide primer and dehydrator. Most that they provide is a small lamp or base coat and top coat. They don't get as extensive as Morovan did with this kit, so I think it's worth the money. I will have a coupon code for you guys to use in the description box, so make sure you look out for that. But overall, I think this polygel kit is perfect for beginners. Now that I'm done with application, I am going to remove that sticky layer from the polygel with some alcohol so that we can begin filing. So now we're going to start with gel art. I am going to take some base coat and I'm going to apply that on my entire nail. For the aura nails, you can use matte top coat if you like. And I didn't even buff out my nails because we were just going to add some base coat, so I didn't see a need in doing that. Then I'm going to wipe off the sticky layer from the base coat with some alcohol. And I'm going to take some darker blue gel polish and I'm going to put that on a makeup sponge and tap that into my nail. The inspiration picture's aura isn't all that vibrant, so I'm not going to do too much or build up the opacity because it's going to be covered with 3D art anyways. I'm going to take some silver chrome. It's in a pot, so I'm going to take some of that and I'm going to try to create those lines on my nail. This is just way easier than using chrome powder because chrome powder gets so messy and there's just glitter everywhere. I just thought that this would be a lot easier, less mess as well. When I was done with the aura, I did flash cure that. Just wanted to let you know. I did flash cure for 10 seconds and I'm also going to flash cure this silver art as well for 10 seconds. After I was done with that, I did apply some top coat on the nail before doing the 3D art. I just wasn't sure how it was going to turn out if I did top coat on the whole thing, so I decided to do the 3D art separately. So I'm going to take some rhinestone gel and I'm going to try to draw those really big like raindrops. I don't know how to explain the art, or I don't have the right verbiage for it, but I'm basically just replicating the 3D art that was in the inspiration picture the best of my ability. And after I was done or liked how it looked, I did cure it in the lamp for 30 seconds as well. And I'm basically going to be doing the same thing on all of my nails. I'm going to apply a base coat, wipe off the sticky layer, then do the 3D art. If you want a more in-depth tutorial on aura nails without blooming gel or an airbrush, I do have a tutorial. It's going to be on the upper right corner of this screen. So make sure you go check that out if you would like a better tutorial on aura nails. So here are how the nails turned out. Let me know what you guys think. You really love these nails, and I'm kind of happy that I finally tried 3D gel art. I also really love this polygel and how it turned out. This color is super beautiful. I love this blue. I have everything I used linked in the description box. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and make sure you check out the description box for my coupon code for Morovan, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video.